Student, next I have an interesting topic for you, that is mathematical language. I think everyone is interested to know this mathematical language. Let's start. If you have found the symbol this written over anywhere, this symbol represent belongs to. That is, if this symbol is written anywhere, this means belongs to. And the second one, if this symbol is written over there, this means there exists. This symbol represent for all. Firstly, let's clear these three symbols with an example. I have an example in which I have taken a set A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B is equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, and we can write for all x belongs to A, there exists a set, a element y belongs to B such that the relation y is equal to x square exists. That means for any element of A, there exists an element of B such that the relation between set A and the element of set B is y is equal to x square. Let's see this. I have 4 belongs to B and 2 belongs to A. That is, for all 2 belongs to A, there exists 4 belongs to B such that y is equal to x square. That is, 4 is equal to 2 square. Clear? That means this symbol represent for all, this represent belongs to, and this represent there exists. And we can speak it as for all x belongs to A, there exists an element y belongs to B such that y equal to x square exists. This is the relation between set A and B. Now come to next symbol, U. This symbol represent union. That means combined set of set A and set B. And this symbol represent intersection. Matlab, if you have set A and set B, the common from both the set is called intersection. Let's clear it with an example. That is, if you have a set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, set B 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, then union of set A and B is represented as A union B, and we can have elements in A union B, that is elements of set A plus element of set B, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Clear it? Next, I have written intersection. That symbol this and union has symbol this. Intersection A intersection B. I can write in it as 1, 2, 3 and 6. That is common from both the sets. That is 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 and 6, 6. 4, 5 belongs to A, but 4, 5 doesn't belongs to B. Similarly, 7, 8 belongs to B, but 7, 8 doesn't belongs to A. So, hope union and intersection topic is clear to all the students. Next I have a symbol phi. The symbol is called phi, and this symbol represents the empty set or null set. Let's take an example of this. If set A has element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, B has element 7, 8, 9. Clearly it has seen that set A and B has nothing common. So I can write A intersection B has phi set, because these both set don't have any common element. Next I have symbol this. This symbol represent contained in or a subset. Subset means a set in which another set exists. Let's take example. Set A has elements 1, 2, 3 and set B has element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then clearly this set A is properly contained in set B. So I can write it as A contained in B. This symbol represents the contained in situation. Next symbol is delta. The symbol is called delta, and this represents the change in situation. That is, the delta represents change in any type of situation. That is, if I have, firstly I have x equal to 4 and then I have x equal to 6, then the change in from this x to this x is 6 minus 4, that is 2. Then we can take it as delta x equal to 6, that is change in situation is 2. Next, this symbol represents matrices. Matrix representation of ABCD, and the symbol this is represented as determinant. This symbol represents determinant representation of set A, B, C, D, and this d over dx or del over del x is called derivative. And the symbol this, that is this, within element dx is called integration. This is enough about mathematical language. Hope everyone get clear about all the symbols of mathematics and have an interesting values. Okay, thanks you.